Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining Samsung Push Service app in 2026. We will understand what it does and how you can disable it if you don't need it. So Samsung Push Notification is a system app that is going to send the notifications from Samsung apps like Galaxy Store, Samsung Pay and Samsung Members. It works in the background and delivers the alerts, updates and promotional messages. So it looks something like this. The app is responsible for sending you the app updates and alerts, showing the promotional notifications and delivering important Samsung service messages. Now, many users find it annoying because it can send frequent promotional alerts or suggestions from Samsung apps. That's why people often want to disable it. So in order to disable it, first of all, you need to open the settings of your Samsung phone. In the settings, simply go to apps. In the apps, look for the option of Samsung Push Service, then tap on it and turn off the notifications. If your device allows, you can also disable the app completely. So you should disable it if you are annoyed by the notifications or you want a clearer experience. But if you rely on the Samsung app updates and alerts, it's better to keep it enabled. If this video helped you understand Samsung Push Service better, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.